Guys, let's dive into the program which I have created. I'll be giving this program in a resource section, as well as I will be giving the command how to compile this program. Okay, and you can convert it to exe. Let me start explaining the program, and here you can find we have used several uh, um, API functions. Windows.h, input output stream and strings. uh, it's like a library functions, and next we have did a bool set privilege. We have used a API function set privilege. uh, so basically this function enables a specified privilege for the current process. Okay, so anyway we are going to execute this program in cmd.exe. Okay, so it enables the specified which privilege it needs to steal a token. Okay, uh, and it will be basically it will be enabling the SC debug name, uh, the privilege, that one. Okay, so this three lines is used to enable the privilege for a current process. So what privilege we need to access the token, okay, to steal the token. So this all the programs is to retrieve the LUID of the privilege. You need to check that. So which privilege we have, or so are we able to steal the token or not? Okay, that's basically. And so it's the function to open up specified the process token. So let's dive on to the, yeah, basically this complete line will be setting the privilege for current process. So what are the things we needs to um, what are the things he needs to set to do a access token manipulation attack. Okay, so the next one we have, this is the important function. Let's remember this. Okay, we have a handle. We are doing a handle to get a token. Okay, it's a function to get a access token from a target process. Okay, anyway we are going to steal a token from another process. Okay, so this function will be doing that. It will be stealing the token uh, from the another process. Okay, so basically we have used this get token with the open process of process query limited information. Okay, so this is a very important line. We are going to detect this token manipulation attack in the next video. You can see the similar function, okay, the similar parameter in the next video. Also we have used several things like token handle. We are going to handle the token, and we are going to use that, right, in the elevator process. So the next line we are going to create a new process with the stolen token. Okay, so basically this is the entire command, and it will be opening the it will be elevating the process cmd.exe. So you can give any sort of executable. If you have a malware .exe, you can give a malware here. Okay, so the entire program is very simple. We are going to enable all the privilege for a current process to steal the access token from the remote process, from the target process. The next one, we are doing a handle to get the access token from the target process, which process we are going to steal. And finally, we are using the stored token, and we are creating a new cmd.exe from that. Okay, so let me open my VM, and I have already compiled this program. It will be sitting in a preview directory. So I'm going to use token stealer 1. So here you can see a same program. So I'll be giving the command how to compile this cpp file. So you can use a x64 or x64 native tool the Visual Studio based tools to compile this. Okay, compile this CPP file, and you'll be getting a exe from that. So let me open a. So I already said we need to run this program as a administrator mode because um, we need to set some privilege, right? You can see the code. We need to enable some privilege for that. To enabling that privilege, you need a administrator level access control. Okay. Let me open up PowerShell better. Get process. Uh, so I'm going to steal the win logon token. Okay. So win logon is a process. So it was running as a bit of 776. Let me open my. Okay. Let me redirect into the directory first. And I will be using the token stealer 1.exe. So if I execute that, it was asking for a PID, which PID I need to, from which PID I need to steal the token. So I'll be using the PID of WinLogon process 776. Okay. In between, let me open a process hacker. Okay. My machine was shutting down. Let wait for a few time. Yeah. Let's resume that. My machine has been restarted. So my program will be a token stealer, and it was asking for a PID. I'm going to use the PID of WinLogon process 772. In between, let me open a process hacker. To show my understanding, where is a WinLogon? Okay, here you can find a WinLogon 772. Let me execute this 772, and now you can see it has found another process, uh, cmd.exe, right? So let me go to the process hacker. So now you can see CMD. So this CMD will be running as a WinLogon process privilege. Okay, the higher privilege. So basically, this was running as a very higher privilege. Okay, so the token has been not listed or anything. We didn't know, but if I execute, so here you can see a command prompt with a system mandatory level. But if you see here, so where I executed the program, so this only have a high mandatory level of privilege, but this has a system mandatory level. So we have successfully performed a access token manipulation attack. So this is how you needs to executes that. Okay. So I have all the privileges to do anything in a Windows. Okay. So that's all about about the video. In the next video, we are going to see how we can detect this attack. Okay. So let's hop off and we'll see you in a next video, guys. Thank you. Bye bye.